Hey folks, I'm Gokul Padmanabhan from Restoration Brokers of America. Each week I talk to owners from across the country who have questions of how to prepare and sell their restoration business. And I bring you those questions and some best practices with over 300 transactions in the restoration space. All right, so here's value driver number 6 of my 6 core value drivers to maximize the value of your business. And that is removing yourself from the business. All right, and I have heard all the excuses in the book, right? I like to solve my customer problems. Nobody knows the business like I do. Nobody cares about the business like I do. But here's the reality of it, all right? Nobody's gonna pay you a lot of money to work 80 hours a week. You gotta have a business that functions without you, or at least reasonably without you, all right? So if you're the hub of all the activities in your business, it's going to devalue the business tremendously, okay? Because a buyer's going to look at it and say, well, why can't your employees make the decisions, right? What is wrong with your bench strength? Are you hiring correctly? Are you hiring the right position, the right people, the right skill set? And they don't want to come in here and do a huge turnaround situation, right? So if you're the hub of all activities in your business, you need to work your way out of it. And there's a couple of strategies that I use in my own business that is really helpful, right? Map the day in the life. Okay, so just take a little piece of paper or a diary or something and map what you do over a week and look at all those activities and see if some of those activities can be transferred over to some of your employees and kind of lighten up your load, right? Look at all your employee list. And you know, there's so much hidden talents with the employees. A lot of them I bet you wouldn't even know. So walk around, spend some time with the employees, see what they do, see what their talents are, even outside of work, and see if you can expand some of their roles. Now you got a real business that people are gonna pay you a lot of money for, right? As long as you're working 80 hours a week and you got, you know, you're the hub, or you're the center of all activities in your business, you don't have a business to sell, and no one is gonna pay you a lot of money for that kind of a business. But on the other hand, if you have a business where your employees are managing most of it and you're truly playing the owner role in the company or the CEO role in the company, where a buyer can look at it and say, wow, you know, this is, you know, the team is kind of moving the business forward, that will tremendously increase the value of your company. Thanks for watching. Click the link below, check out what we do. I'm happy to connect.